Alright, we have the third reissue of the Go Lion Soul of Chogokin Voltron. So psyched. This is my first toy that I really remember from when I was young, and I've always wanted to have a Soul of Chogokin Go Lion, and finally it's here. Alright, let's get to it and unbox this thing. Alright. Very nice. So you get this tree of accessories. I won't open that for now, it's just an unboxing. But yeah, you get this interchangeable nameplate. You get manual, and check out the lions. Spinning laser blades, or what people more commonly refer to as the shield. We have the mouth daggers for all 5 lions, so black, red, green, blue, and yellow. Get very nice blazing sword. And get to the main event, the actual lions. Start with the yellow lion first. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Yes, that's a good boy. Let's look at the blue lion. Piloted by Princess Allura, or originally by Sven. Pretty nice. Look at that. Get the green lion, which was piloted by Pidge. Get the red lion, which was piloted by Lance. Fix his head. Oh, come on. Yeah, there you go. And get the black lion, which was piloted by Keith. Yes. Look at that. Oh, it's die-cast. Pretty good. And this is the only part of this soul of Chogokin Go Lion that I don't like. They had to make these thigh gaps in order for him to sit down in his lion form. So I actually ended up getting some customized thigh replacements, which I'll show in another video. But yeah, that is the unboxing. I'm so psyched. I was finally able to get this Soul of Chogokin on its third production run. I heard there were some stock cuts for this production run, so if you guys are interested and are looking to get one, hopefully you have some luck and get one at your local dealers. Thanks.